up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you see this? So you already know what it's about to be. A hair video. For the first time in my entire life, I'm about to try a perm rod set. Like, I've been natural 10,000 times before, and I never managed to actually do this style. My go-tos were actually braid outs and bantu knot outs. Those were the go, okay? So I'm trying to branch out and be a little bit different. I'm trying to be more, you know, do a little thing. And like, I've been seeing on Instagram people doing it with foam, like 4C hair and foam, and having bomb perm rod sets. Nah, I don't know what kind of magic that was, but I'm gonna try it. So actually, before this video, I tried a what's that thing called? Oh my god. Anyway, the Indian healing clay, whatever. I don't know. Child. Before we get on into this, I won't even say tutorial. I'm gonna say journey of possible calamity and disaster, or possibly bombness, like whatever this is about to be, we gonna find out. But before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, girl, because you know we keeps it popping and informative over here. So we gonna try this together, okay? Like, we're trying to venture out of our comfort zones and explore other options in life, because life is not all about braid outs and bantu knot outs and wigs. So we're gonna try something different. So let's get into it. Yeah, I don't even know what the heck I'm doing. Anyway, so I'm just gonna section my hair off. Okay, so I'm gonna start in the front, just so you guys can see. Okay. And I still have that clay in my hair, but you know what? We're gonna keep it rolling, because I have this foam here, the Scrunch Mousse and Leave-In Conditioner by from Aussie. I am literally struggling here. I don't even know how to use a perm rod. I think we got one. We got one. My hair is not laying as smooth as I've seen like other people's hair. I don't know. We're gonna see how this thing turns out. Oh, and all of this that you see, I swear, guys, my hair is not dirty. It's just that clay that I put in. I didn't like rinse all of it out good enough. First time for everything, okay? We make mistakes. I'm looking at the amount of perm rods that I got, and I don't think we gonna make it, sis. I know you know that I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I thought 36 perm rods was gonna be enough. How many perm rods do you guys be putting in your head? Okay, come on, sis. Don't act up now. Okay. If I run out of perm rods, I am probably just gonna bantu knot the back. So I guess hopefully that, like, in my mind, when I undo them, it will look like a kind of tapered curly style, like a tapered. Pray for me. So guys, I'm finished with the front section. Don't I look fine? So I'm just gonna go ahead and complete the rest of this off camera because I ain't got no mirror in front of me. I'm looking at my computer screen, and like my right is on the left and the left is on the right, and I basically feeling my way through this thing. Then we'll be back, baby. So guys, I've completed the entire head, and I'm just gonna sit under the hooded dryer. But this is how I did it. So let's just see how this is gonna go. Fingers crossed.
Two hours later.
Yeah, it's wet under there still. So I'm just gonna sleep on this, and tomorrow I'll come back and do the takedown. Good morning, guys, and I'm back. So I'm about ready to take these out. Pray for me that they're all dry because, like, goddamn. Like, that's the only downside compared to my bantu knots and my braid outs. These things take forever to dry. Like, even though like you feel the root and the top, they're dry, when you try to unravel one, like the hair like in there is still kind of damp. I'm like, this unraveling process has me nerve-skited. Like, every time I turn it, I guess because the oh my god, there's hair on the perm rod. Do you see that? Do you see there's hair on the perm rod? Calm down, okay? So the unraveling process, like the way it feels and the sounds that it's making, has me feeling like, God. Oh my god, like I don't like that when you hear that sound like hair is being ripped from your head. I'm like, not my hearses, especially not around the edges. You know what I'll probably do? If the spirit leads me to try this again, maybe I'll do the end papers. literally, as I'm detangling this, it's literally snowing on me. Like that foam, I don't know, it is like giving off some type of flaking and stuff. So I'm basically putting some oil in my hair to try to break that firm kind of cast and get rid of that white stuff in my head, basically. So I don't know if you guys can see all the white flaky stuff from the mousse, so that was a complete fail, but these curls are still popping. Okay, so I'm not completely turned off from the perm rods. I definitely will do them again using different products, but the mousse thing, nah sis. Overall, I love the perm rod set my first time. I love it. I love the curls. I love the shape and everything of it. You see I did a little bit of a kind of side swoop thing. I like it. It's really cute, just that the mousse jacked everything up, because if it wasn't for that mousse flaking up on me, I would have been set. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me completing an epic perm rod fail because of the mousse. Curls still popping though. And if you have a few other styles or products you would like me to try out on my natural hair, go ahead and leave a comment down below so that we can, you know, figure this thing out together. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. Bye.